Hi, this is Chris24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter/X, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. I am really enjoying this Game Boy GB Rev C Pro Plus low power consumption card. You put your micro SD card in here with your saved games, you plug it into your Game Boy Color and other compatible Game Boys. This is an original Game Boy Atomic Purple in color. You have your Nico Snake Light, because the original screens did not have a backlight, although a lot of the modded ones have a backlight, which is super cool. I might mod this in the future. You have your different folders set up with your different games. I have a game set up already. You just hit the start button. It boots into the regular game mode, and there we are, Super Mario Brothers since 1985. This is the Super Mario Brothers Deluxe game. I actually own this game, so I'm able to have the file running on this device. It's super fun. I enjoy playing it, and I'm using standard batteries in this. Of course, you can get the USB-C lithium-ion battery swap out for this, but I enjoy this very much. You can have multiple games on this card. They suggest that you own it, of course, and I own many of these games, so I can put the game files on here and play. I've had a great time with this card. Works on multiple Game Boys, and it's a little bit of nostalgia fun. This is Chris24K. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.